Are you looking for an easy way to earn $100 to $300 every month? If yes, then you need to know about this new WhatsApp update. WhatsApp created AI tool that can help you earn $100 to $300 or even more every month without investing anything. In this video, we are going to discuss what is this AI all about, how to activate it, and 7 ways you can become financially free with this. If this sounds interesting and you want to receive more videos like this, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bell on so you can easily get notified whenever we make a new video like this. Without beating around the bush, let's jump in. Do you know that I have already made $300 from this new update, and my friend have already published 2 books with this WhatsApp update, and that is he have made 100 sales from these ebooks, and that is $100 within some few days. In this video, we are going to expose everything you need, and the good news is you don't need to invest anything. You don't need a skill. All you need is your smartphone with a good internet connection. Right now, what is this update all about? If you go to your WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp I mean, you will see this sign. It is circle in shape. This is circle in shape. Please update your WhatsApp, and once you update it, you will see this sign. And please, this is not available on WhatsApp Business, so it is only available for normal WhatsApp. If you are using WhatsApp Business, please migrate to normal WhatsApp so you can easily activate it. So once it is activated, you can easily use it to become financially free. Right now, we are going to discover 7 ways you can use it to become financially free. The number 1 way you can use this to make money online is by using it to grow your business. If you have a shop, or you are selling something online, or you have a shop on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or even on WhatsApp, you can use this Meta AI to grow your business. The question is how. For instance, if you're a buyer and you see this picture, will you buy this? No, you will say probably, oh, this is dirty, I will not buy it because it is not new. But if you see this picture, you say, wow, amazing, I will buy it. With this Meta AI, you can easily generate beautiful picture which you can post on your social media handle and get more engagement. You know the secret of online shop. If you have an online shop, the secret is more engagement is more sales, and this more engagement can help you get more audience, that is more followers. So focus on getting more engagement on your posts, on your social media posts, or anywhere. Focus on engagement, and the only way you can achieve this is by using Meta AI. With this Meta AI, you can easily create different posts, different beautiful pictures you can post on your online shop and make sales instantly. So how can you do this? Simply go to WhatsApp, open this, click this sign button to open, type anything you want, and your image will be generated immediately. Post it on your social media handles where you have eShop and make sales immediately. Number 2, create and sell your own AI images. Do you know you can easily earn $1,000 and even more with AI images? The problem is some people think it is impossible, while some people think it is very difficult. It is not difficult. With this Meta AI, you can easily generate beautiful pictures which you can sell for different prices on different websites. And the good news is you can sell it over and over and over and over again, creating passive income for you. And you can also buy these photos for $10. On Dreamstime, you can also sell these images for $5. On FreePic, you can sell these images for $5. And on iStock, you can also sell these images for $50 to $300. So stop doubting and start doing. You can easily become financially free with this Meta AI. Just generate images, go to this website that I've mentioned. I will also put the name of this website in the description of this video. Sign up with your email address, upload these AI images, and wait for a sale. Once you make a sale, you download it via PayPal or direct to bank transfer. This is very simple, and I want everyone to benefit from it. The 3rd way to become financially free with this Meta AI is to create and sell your own ebooks. Do you know you can make thousands of dollars with ebooks? And the good news is with Meta AI, you can write your own ebook within seconds and make massive sales from it. Okay, let me expose a chat between me and my friend. My friend already published 2 books with this Meta AI, and the good news is they have made 100 sales from it, which is $100 because the price of one book is $1. He made it very cheap so that everyone can get the book. Okay, I'll open up my WhatsApp and look for this post. I will look for it, wait for it. Okay, this is the post, and this guy said, how was the book? The title of this book is How to Know Your Destiny Without Making a Mistake. So I'll click it, and it will bring me to this website. You see, this book costs only 1,000 naira, which is $1. Okay, so if you click on this guy's profile, you see he has published 2 books, and this one costs $1. This one costs $1. The name of this one is How to Know Your Destiny Without Making a Mistake and the Best Affiliate Marketing Secret. You have made 100 sales from these 2 books. He wrote and published this book within seconds with AI. This is amazing. Do you know this guy's image is AI? AI can help you make everything simple. Why can't you use Meta AI to make passive income for yourself? There are thousands of websites where you can publish your ebooks and make massive profit from it. Imagine if you're selling one book for $1 and 1,000 people get it. That means you're already making $1,000 from one book. The fourth way to become financially free with Meta AI is to create and sell your own sticker. There are different companies all over the world who need these stickers every day. And the good news is you can make this sticker within some seconds with Meta AI. Okay, let's practice. Open up your Meta AI and ask, please generate a beautiful sticker for me. Okay, this is it. And you can even ask, generate another one and even another one. Save it to your phone and start selling. On Shopify, you can sell this sticker for $5, $10 or even more. You can even do the same on Canva. On Amazon, you can sell it for $90, and even on eBay, you can sell it for any price of your choice. This is the best way to make passive income, even as a student, nursing mother, or otherwise. So right now, if you need more websites where you can sell these stickers, indicate in the comment box. On the other hand, you can easily make money by selling AI logos. With Meta AI, you can create AI logo and sell it on different websites. Websites like Fiverr, Creative Market, Graphic River, Icon Finder, and Brand Crowd can take your AI logo and give you $10 to $100. And the good news is you can sell it over and over and over again. If you generate any logo with Meta AI, you can use any photo designer or logo designer to change these logos so that it will be more beautiful. Once you are done, upload it to any of these websites. Make sure you withdraw it to your bank account immediately. It is simple. The seventh way you can become financially free with this Meta AI is to learn new digital skill. According to the research I made last week, a cryptocurrency trader can earn around $100,000 to $1 million every week. A professional graphic designer or even photo editor can make thousands of dollars every month. A professional video editor or even copywriter can make $100,000 every month. With this Meta AI, you can learn new digital skills from your home with your phone and internet connection. Already, I have mentored 10 people on how to trade crypto, and I will also mentor 100 people. Make sure you join my Telegram community where I teach thousands of people how to become a professional crypto trader and a good affiliate marketer. Use the link in the description of this video and learn new digital skills that can make you a millionaire in the future. This brings us to the end of this video. If you have a question, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment box. For now, good luck. Goodbye.